Myself, Gyan Agnihotri, and I am from Madhya Pradesh, very small district named Siri. And basically, I am an English language teacher. I teach in a government school English literature. On top of that, I am also English communication coach, where I teach students online English speaking communication skills.
Very nice, absolutely, very stunning. Okay, so you teach online classes, right?
Yes,
So
in school, I also teach offline, and
very
outside
good.
school, I teach online English speaking. Right.
Okay, but how you manage with both the things? Like you go
Yes.
to school also, and you manage with this in online also, and you
Yes.
are on the conversational videos as well. So how you manage all these things?
Literally, it's all about the time management. And
Yeah.
when I was young, so I attended a meeting, a program, and a IITian who was telling us every single thing. He was teaching us, and he has told one thing that 24 hours is more than sufficient, and you can do everything whatever you want within this 24 hours time frame. And you need to learn one thing: time management. And if you will be able to manage your time effectively, efficiently, then you have
So
freedom
true.
for everything. Yes,
So true. It's really so true. Time management. If somebody is with the time, he's following the time, he's punctual with everything. He doesn't have to face many troubles.
right,
Yeah. So time is actually time passes on, it's going on. It's not in our hand. But we can be like we can make the best use of time. Actually,
right,
time doesn't wait for anybody. Yeah, it's all the same for everybody. Right.
right.
So thank you so much, Gyan. So actually, my name is Alka, and I come from the city Lucknow, the capital of UP, and
Mhm.
I'm a postgraduate in English. And yeah, I'm a senior citizen too.
Mhm.
My husband is a retired banker, and yeah, my both the sons are married. And I
Mhm.
am a grandmother of two grandchildren. Yeah,
Right.
yeah. So this is
So,
about me.
okay, very nice. So you are also literature
Yes,
students. You were also literature students, and I was
yes.
also very fond of English literature.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's been very long when I had done my when I done my master's, and that
Mhm.
time I was in Kanpur,
Mhm.
and like in very difficult situations I did my master's. And all by myself, studied by myself. I did not go to any college. I did not really go to any college. When somebody asked me how was your college life, so I'm not able to tell my college life because I've never been to college. So yeah, being in a joint family, living with 9 to 10 person in the same house, so it was difficult for me. But I was so passionate about this language actually. So that's why I did my masters in English. And now also, many of my co-learners they ask me, "Ki, ma'am, why are you in this group? For what reason?" So I tell them actually there's no reason of mine to learn over here. Actually, Gyan, I'm not that good at fluency. I lack somewhere. With the written English and with reading, I can read also, and I can write well. I can write anything. I can write story and anything I can write. But when it comes to speak, so that time I find myself I'm not comfortable. I'm not that confident, to speak. So I think when I meet some real person, how will I react with those person? So maybe. So what are the strategies that I should follow?
Yes. Well, first of all, I would like to appreciate your effort. The way
Thank
you
you.
are passionate about learning English, it's absolutely amazing. And
Thank you.
I have followed a different strategy, because I also teach students to speak English, and I have different strategy. I would like to just give you one simple strategy, and where do not
Yes.
require people to have this kind of practice conversation. A simple strategy: you can simply watch the videos, 2 or 3 minutes, simple and short story-based videos in YouTube.
Okay.
Simple. And once you have watched the video, now
Yeah.
try to see the same video in your own words, same video content in your own words.
Okay.
And this will actually push your comfort zone. You will get new words, new vocabulary, and you will get a real confidence and a different kind of confidence. You
Okay.
will
Okay.
that's the most important things. Because
Yeah.
what happens the moment you have to come in a different zone, different style, different way. Every single day
Yeah.
you will watch a different kind of video. So you will be able to come out from your comfort zone. Right now, what happens in this kind of conversation, we just get stuck in a comfortable situation.
Right. Right.
Comfortable
Right.
situation.
Absolutely right. Yeah.
So this is the same way I have learned English because in when I area where there was no teacher,
Yeah.
no nothing, no teacher, no environment, nothing. But I was big fond of learning English speaking. So
Yeah.
the moment the internet came around 2002 or 2003 here. So at that time, I started watching English videos, this kind of 2 or 3 minute simple story based
Okay.
video. And then try to speak English. At that time, there was internet traffic. So at the 2G, there was a 2G system. So it
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
slow. It was taking lots of time to just get loaded. And because in 2 minutes video takes generally 30 minutes time. So in that process, I try to speak the same video. So this is the way, without knowingly, I just try to speak the same video content. And this has made my English very better. Yes.
Yeah. Effective. Okay. So you are like very perfect at English. So it's been how long that you created your channel and you started speaking, you had your conversation. When did it start?
Yes, actually, what happens, I started English channel very late. I was not the founder, and even this way, the conversational video, I just got inspired from a, YouTuber who has told me just to record this kind of conversation and upload, so that lots of people also got opportunity from me to just to make this kind of videos and everything. I have created video for this different purpose 3 years back, and I was not so much passionate about the YouTube, not recording videos, not uploading videos frequently.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so that was the passion, but the main thing is that the teaching English, so teaching English, how to teach people, and I am
Yes.
teaching English students from across India to make them better English
Oh,
speakers
okay.
across India online. And I started teaching from early morning 6 o'clock, even sometimes 5 o'clock early in the morning till 9 o'clock, and then I just got ready for my school. Then I just go for school. Once I just came back from school around 6 o'clock from my home, then 6 to 9 again I teach. So 6 hour come at least 6 hour daily I teach online English.
Yeah. Yeah, so
6 hours.
much you work hard. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yes. Hmm.
You work very hard. Yeah. So that is the you worked hard, so that's why you are so perfect and you're so good speaker. Because I never watched your videos actually. First time I'm watching you right now. So it seems to me that you speak very well and you are a very good, perfect you are. So are you some trainer? Like mean
Yes,
to
I
say,
am trainer. Yes, I am trainer, and actually, earlier I was teaching with a company, very famous company who has taken this kind of courses where I was trainer. So once I started working there, but after that I realized that this company is charging very high fees to my core
yeah,
learners, the learners who was learning, who's very high fees. And yes, I was also getting fees from the company was paying me, but
yeah,
I thought that this is not good, that this is not fair with students. Okay, so whatever the fees I am just getting from company, same fees I could charge, or even little fees I could charge to my learners. So that is good for them. So then I started teaching independent as a freelancer. So where that's
okay,
why the people are getting more opportunity to learn English to speak, more opportunity to speak.
yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
have created multiple courses, recorded courses, live courses, literature
Oh,
courses, English speaking courses, recorded things, and also the online things, live. So
oh,
in this field, in online field, I am working from last many years, and this has given
that's
me
great.
great motivation, great confidence, financial freedom, lots of things it has given me.
Very nice, very nice. Okay. So see, I'm new to the YouTuber. I mean to say, I've just created my channel like 2.5 months back, right? So I want to develop it more. So what should I do, to
Yes,
improve better,
good, good,
Actually, I'm
good, good.
not working with the thumbnails, I'm trying to make thumbnails. I've done editing, I've learned editing, but I will do thumbnails. I'm just uploading in a simple manner. So what should I do? That my
Yes.
YouTube channel runs. I want it to run. So yeah.
And I am telling you that you will become extraordinary YouTuber. Main thing is
Oh,
that to become successful YouTuber, you need only one thing. You need motivation, and you have great motivation, and you can become extraordinary. Now, I am telling you just three things. Three things you need to focus on the three things. Firstly, that's called the topic. Once you are the creating your video, right now we have conversation, and you would like to upload this video. Now, think about the topic, because the topic you are creating, the topic is very important. What topic actually people are searching? Think about this topic. This is so always put your title. Now the topic, second thing is title. So your title must be people searching for it. Searching, because nobody is just going to search. Nobody is going to search Gyan Agnihotri conversation, Alka Chaturvedi conversation. No, they are searching for something different. Suppose that how you will search, how you are searching something about English conversation. So simply if you are searching in the YouTube English conversation, so just pick out how these videos are coming, right? What is their title? So title is very important. Topic and title is very important. Topic, title, and third thing is thumbnail. You can create some curious thumbnail, so people must click it. What is inside? Curious thumbnail. Think about the curiosity. These three things is very important. Now the next thing is
content.
Yes, content is I think is the thumbnail I'm talking about. Thumbnail. Now next thing is that your description. Descriptions and tag is very important again. Description. What you write inside your description. So I am telling you first thing that whatever your topic title you are putting there, copy that title and just put a similar kind of title multiple times inside the description. Similar kind. Yes, if you are putting that, yes, the English conversation with Alka Chaturvedi and Gyan Agnihotri, suppose that you are putting. So it is not good. It is not good title. It is not good title. How you should give your title? People generally check out how to speak fluent English. How to speak English fluently and confidently. How to speak English fluently and confidently. Simply put this kind of title, and the similar nature of the title, how people searching actually put in the multiple times in the description box.
In the description box.
Yes. It's very important.
The same thing multiple times.
Same thing or similar nature of the things. I am talking about the similar nature. Firstly, put the similar.
Right.
It must be matching. It must be matching. People are looking for the English conversation. People are searching in the YouTube English conversation. So English conversation is the keyword. Now you need to focus on the keywords. English conversation is the keywords. So anything that is English conversation, so just put it English conversation. Alka Chaturvedi English conversation. This. And the same kinds you also need to put on the tags. Put in the tags. So that's what. So that it also is in tags. Inside the tag is, I think that you are aware about the tags, how to put the tags.
Yes.
So in this way, you also put your name in tags, so that if somebody is watching your one video, your another video must be coming in the suggestion. YouTube must suggest your video that yes, watch this another video. Already. So until your video is not coming in the suggestion, so your video will not get promoted. So make sure that the YouTube must suggest your next video. If you're watching a video, you can take any example. You can take any example, any good YouTuber. If you're watching his one video, YouTube is showing his another video in right side. Why this is happening, and why it is not happening with your video? Until it is not going to happen with your video, your channel will not get promoted. For that, you need to put your name multiple times in different ways in the channel tags, descriptions, and everywhere. But I would like to suggest one more thing. Always search any good conversation, any viral conversation. Somebody who has viral conversation, the 50,000 views, 1 lakh views, 10 lakhs views, simply watch it. Your title, your tags, your description, how they are putting. Got it? And yes, we can discuss in this more, and I can help you in this regard. I could also help you that how you should put it actually. And actually, I'm telling you, it's all about the practice. If you will just learn something and just keep practicing it, keep doing different and experiment, your video will start getting viral.